woke up middle of the night from a few rumbles of thunder. That was that cold front that passed through early on this morning, leaving us with cloudy conditions across Fort Wayne. As of right now, it's pretty mild, 49 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, but the winds are starting to pick up from the west around 18 miles an hour. But let's take a look at our storm track radar for folks that are heading out maybe to church this morning or just going to be out and about. There are a few light showers off towards our east and our northwest Ohio counties for Fort Wayne into Van Wert and Paulding and Defiance, and that will continue to track towards the east as we continue to zoom on out. Here is that cold front again. It's pushing towards the east, but we should be going to dry out, but I think there'll be another chance to see maybe a few isolated showers, and here's why. We're going to get our winds coming out from the northwest, and so we'll see a little bit of a lake effect showers possible in some regions. It's going to be very light drizzle, but again, that is a possibility. Overall, we should be mainly dry and cloudy this morning, but here's a look at the future track with precipitation-wise. Again, that rain making its way towards the east, but again, as we get around maybe lunchtime, those few isolated lake effect rain showers could be possible. Overall, it'll be pretty much cloudy throughout the day, and as we get towards about the early evening hours, maybe 7 to 8 o'clock, we'll start to see some clearing, maybe some sunshine before the sun will be setting tonight, and we'll see clear skies for tonight. So here's what the weather headlines are for the next few days ahead. Again, rain is clearing out, leaving us with a breezy and chilly Sunday, and then temperatures would be almost like a roller coaster for the week ahead. So let's talk about those breezy conditions. So at the moment, winds are coming out from the west around 15, 20 miles an hour. That will continue to pick up as we get towards the afternoon. It could blow up between 25 to 30 miles an hour. So the reason why I'm showing the winds is that we're going to see much cooler temperatures. And if we see our wind chill factor, it's going to feel a lot cooler. So if you look off towards our east Ohio counties into the early morning hours, they're going to feel like in the 50s. And then we start to see that cooler air, these blue colors start to drift across our parts of our area. And so by this afternoon, our highs are going to be in the mid 40s. But again, if you add that wind chill factor, it's going to feel a lot like in the 20s, even 30s. So it's going to be a very, very chilly, cloudy Sunday ahead. And talk about temperature swings we've seen this weekend. Yesterday it was beautiful, 7 degrees, some sunshine, and then now dropping down into the mid 40s. So that is a 25-degree temperature difference. But for all my warm weather lovers out there, we do have some good news for you. We are trending on the warmer side as we get towards tomorrow, and then it will continue to warm up into the 60s. So who needs Cedar Point when Mother Nature brings roller coaster temperatures here in Northeast Indiana? And so what must come up must come down, and that's what we're going to see into Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures will begin to drop back into the 40s. And so one more recap, what today looks like: mostly cloudy skies. We'll see chilly and breezy conditions. Winds will come out from the northwest around 15, 25 miles an hour. Temperatures this afternoon will reach around into the mid 40s, but if you have that wind chill factor, because it will be breezy, it's going to feel a lot like into the upper teens. So upper 20s. So again, if you're going to be out and about, just make sure you have your jacket on as we get towards into tonight. We'll see mostly clear skies. Winds will start to die down, and then we'll be a little bit warmer as we get towards into Monday. Mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will be into the upper 50s and the 60s by Tuesday, and then Wednesday temperatures drop back down into the 40s for Wednesday and Thursday. But don't worry, we get to warm back up again because roller coaster temperatures, all these ups and downs, and we'll be into the 60s for Easter weekend.
You know, I think that roller coaster temperatures are pretty good as long as you make sure you're taking care of your health, because I know that those temperatures going up and down can definitely affect the body.
My scientists aren't a fan of this. My scientists are like, oh, this is going to be a bad week.
I understand that right there, man. Thank you for that full forecast. Coming up next on ABC 21 Weekend Morning News. Yep, you already see it right there. Don't go anywhere. It's that time, young entrepreneurial time. After the break, we'll introduce you to our Young Entrepreneur of the month of March.